Good morning, Stephanie Cameraman, the Stock Whisperer, here to tell you the whisper of the day. But before we get to today's whisper, you know we got to talk about yesterday. We had so many stocks we were watching yesterday. It was a phenomenal day. The first one was TLT. If you recall, we had those big prints at 125 and 125.25, only bullish above that. And as you can see, she came all the way down the hill. My traders were rocking it on the short side. Also watching AMD, that 1270 level. If you recall, that was a key level. As soon as the market opened up, fell down. Later on in the afternoon, there was a buying opportunity as soon as it broke above. And look what it did. It retested it before it had a big move up. And that is a very popular pattern. I love to buy on the retest because your risk is really low, putting your stop just a couple pennies below that. JD was another phenomenal trade off the pre-market, the ECN book. We were watching to see where the big guys were loaded to sell. He was selling at 43.30, never went above, came falling all the way down to about 41.49. And also, by the way, FCX, you guys, finally broke above 12. That was my whisper the day before, as well as X. Remember, we were watching that 21 level, unable to break through. Well, guess what happened yesterday? Finally broke above. The big winner that I had yesterday was the financials. If you recall, we had that big print on XLF at $23.46 and $23.58. We were bullish above 23.60. It rocketed all the way to 24. XLF usually slow for me, so I jumped into those calls on Goldman Sachs. Quite a few traders. I know Lorraine also had that. That was Ricky had that phenomenal trade. We made over 100% ROI using the calls on Goldman Sachs to trade off the XLF prints. I love it. Baba was another great one yesterday. If you recall, we're watching that 140 level, such a key level. And you can see, I'll just break this bigger. So as it opened up, it fell below it, came to test it, and that's when you want to go short, when it can't break above, and it fell all the way down to 135 area. Later on in the afternoon was a buying opportunity above that 140 level. But another big winner was the Cowboys pick, PayPal. We've been loving PayPal for a very long time in the trading room after we saw those late dark pull buy prints. Bullish above 54. And you can see as soon as it broke above that in the afternoon, it skyrocketed. That leads me to the trader of the day, D from MIT, who's a newbie in the room, rocked JWN, Facebook, Nike, which was also a phenomenal trade, and PayPal. So congratulations, D. Keep it up. Love it. Keep rocking it. All right, what are we watching today? We have volume coming in on RBS. I've been watching this 640 level. All right, all morning. There's been a ton of price action. It looks like it's refreshing at 640. So this is how we're going to play it. I'm only going to be bullish if RBS can break above 650. Going to be bearish below 637. All right, those are the levels I'm going to watch. And of course, we're going to watch the prints because if a big print pops in, going to always go with that. Still watching TLT. We had a big 1.5 million print yesterday at 124.37. That's exactly where it's sitting this morning. Key level. So we're going to be bullish above, bearish below. I like to give it some room. So I'm going to be bearish below 124. Let me just draw a line on this daily chart for you, okay? Going to be bearish below if it breaks below 124, okay? We still have big prints above us at 125 and 125.25. So I still like the financials. XLF, we had a big 1.8 million print, 23.75. We'll see what prints come in today, but use that as a level Also, Bank of America. Love this. Looks like momentum is turning. Tons of volume yesterday. I'm going to be bullish above 23 as long as it stays above 23. And let's not forget about AMD. There was a big offer. Let's see if he's still there. He might have moved. Right here, 13.21 on the book. So going to be bullish if AMD can break above that level. Come watch me trade these stocks and so much more all day live in my trading room at www.thestockwhisperer.com. Happy trading, everybody.